Another severe thunderstorm watch is now in effect for the entire Okanagan Valley. Environment Canada issued the warning Tuesday morning for the valley, as well as the Okanagan Connector, the Coquihalla Highway, the Nicola Valley, the Hope-Princeton Highway, and the Similkameen area. Meteorologists say conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms that may be capable of producing strong wind gusts, large hail, and heavy rain. Large hail can damage property and cause injury, with heavy downpours that are likely to cause flash floods and water pooling on roads. Environment Canada reminds residents that lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. So when thunder roars, go indoors. For Castanet News, I'm Carmen Weld.